Have you bought an instrument with the intention of learning how to play it, but months later found that same instrument collecting dust in a corner? Well, you're not alone. Learning how to play an instrument can be boring and difficult at times. There's also the cost of learning how to play an instrument, both in terms of time and money. Hiring an instructor can be costly, sometimes reaching up to $100 a lesson. Finding the time to attend lessons and practice can be challenging. Even talented bands break up due to logistical issues. The loss of one band member can throw future plans off course. But Jam City tackles these issues in an innovative and tech-savvy way. So what is Jam City? In the simplest terms, Jam City is a cross between a social network, a matching network, an avatar world, and a platform for musical duels. Turn the tedium of practicing alone into excitement. Jam City lets players connect with friends, allowing them to jam together with real instruments through the convenience of their computers. The lesson plans allow you to enjoy real-time instruction with an easy-to-understand grading system. And when lessons are completed, players get experience points which improve their profile level. Through gamification and competition, players are motivated to practice and learn, to either keep up or outrank their friends. With Jam City, the cost of learning an instrument is minimal. This system incorporates interactive and affordable lesson plans that teach players how to play an instrument from the comfort of their home. The software is specifically designed to help players learn how to read music, understand the fundamentals, and grow in their music performance abilities. Players can also track their progress and learn at a pace that works for them. Jam City also lets bandmates create music, practice, and maintain contact with ease, without the occasional inconvenience of physically meeting up. Through Jam City, bandmates visit their online recording studio whenever it's convenient. Jam City makes it simple for musicians or aspiring musicians to log on, learn, create, record, and share music. It's a place to meet others, start a band, battle other bands, and collaborate like never before. Musicians can not only foster a personal passion, they'll also connect with others across the globe. It's time to dust off that instrument and finally learn how to play in a fun, interactive, competitive, and friendly social atmosphere. Jam City strives to nurture musicians of every skill level. It's a place where you can meet others and share the gift of music. Now, Jam City needs your support and backing to become a reality. Join this incredible new venture on the ground level and help bring Jam City to life.